A modern minimalist house is not just about clean lines and simple forms. It is about creating a living space that feels calm, comfortable, and truly livable. Instead of focusing on excess decoration, this design approach highlights clarity, functionality, and emotional comfort. Both the exterior and interior work together to form a cohesive atmosphere where space feels open, movement flows naturally, and every element has a purpose. A comfortable modern minimalist home invites people to slow down, breathe, and enjoy a balanced lifestyle in a space that feels warm, organized, and visually peaceful. Modern minimalist exterior, simplicity that feels welcoming. The exterior of a modern minimalist house often appears clean, structured, and uncluttered, yet it should never feel cold or uninviting. The goal is to create a facade that expresses calm confidence rather than visual complexity. Straight lines, geometric shapes, and balanced proportions help establish order and harmony. Exterior walls typically use neutral tones such as white, warm gray, beige, or soft earth colors. These shades enhance light reflection and create a timeless modern look. Instead of heavy ornamentation, character is expressed through textures: smooth concrete, natural wood panels, stone accents, or matte finishes. These elements add warmth while maintaining simplicity. Large windows are also a key feature. They allow natural light to flow indoors, strengthen visual connection with the outdoors, and make the facade feel open rather than enclosed. A minimalist exterior does not compete for attention. It communicates calm elegance through restraint and thoughtful composition. Outdoor spaces designed for comfort and function. A comfortable minimalist house extends its sense of serenity beyond the walls. Outdoor spaces such as terraces, front gardens, or small courtyards are designed to encourage relaxation and everyday use rather than mere decoration. Landscaping typically follows the same less is more approach. Instead of overly dense plan arrangements, the design favors a few well-placed trees, structured greenery, and natural ground textures. Pathways are simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Open lawns, gravel areas, or wooden decks provide places to sit, walk, and enjoy fresh air. Outdoor furniture is selected with purpose: slim benches, compact seating, or multifunctional patio pieces that support daily living without crowding the area. The result is an exterior environment that feels balanced, refreshing, and emotionally grounding, creating a seamless transition between exterior and interior. One of the strengths of modern minimalist design is the smooth connection between outdoor and indoor spaces. Large sliding doors, glass partitions, or open views help blur the boundary between inside and outside. This creates a sense of continuity, making the house feel larger, brighter, and more breathable. Natural materials, such as wood or stone, are often used both outdoors and indoors to reinforce visual unity. When colors, textures, and design lines remain consistent between spaces, the home feels more cohesive and comfortable to live in. This integration allows residents to experience nature as part of daily life rather than something separate from the home. Interior layout: open, organized, and easy to live in. Inside a modern minimalist house, comfort comes from space that is open, uncluttered, and easy to move through. Rooms are arranged logically, with clear pathways and well-defined areas for each activity. Instead of walls that divide every space, open-plan layouts encourage interaction and natural light distribution. The living room, dining area, and kitchen often share a connected layout, creating a sense of togetherness while still feeling structured. Furniture placement follows function. Seating areas support conversation. Workspaces remain practical, and circulation feels intuitive rather than cramped. Minimalist interior design is not about removing personality. It is about removing distractions so life can be experienced more clearly and comfortably. Calming color palettes and warm materials. Color plays a major role in creating a comfortable interior atmosphere. Soft neutrals such as white, beige, cream, taupe, or light gray provide a calm foundation and help spaces feel airy and open. These tones also allow light to bounce gently across walls and surfaces, reducing visual heaviness. To prevent the home from feeling sterile, warmth is introduced through materials instead of loud colors. Natural wood flooring, Textured fabrics, woven accents, or stone-inspired finishes bring depth and tactile comfort. Subtle contrasts, like pairing pale walls with warm wooden furniture, create balance while maintaining the minimalist mood. The overall impression is soothing, timeless, and emotionally relaxing. Furniture and decor with purpose, not excess. In a comfortable minimalist home, furniture is chosen for both practicality and visual clarity. Bulky or overly decorative pieces are avoided in favor of slim silhouettes, simple forms, and multifunctional designs. Sofas with clean lines, lightweight tables, and unobtrusive storage units help maintain openness. Instead of filling shelves with unnecessary objects, decor is limited to a few meaningful items, perhaps a single vase, a framed artwork, or a textured rug. These elements add character without overwhelming the space. Minimalism does not remove personality. It focuses it. Lighting that enhances mood and comfort. Lighting is essential in shaping the emotional quality of a minimalist interior. Natural light is prioritized during the day, while layered artificial lighting supports comfort at night. Soft ceiling lights, subtle wall lamps, and warm-tone task lighting create depth without visual clutter. Rather than using dramatic or overly ornamental fixtures, the design favors simple forms that complement the architecture. The goal is illumination that supports relaxation, productivity, and everyday living, not lighting that dominates the room. Organization as a lifestyle, not just a design choice. A modern minimalist house remains comfortable when organization becomes part of daily life. Built-in storage, hidden cabinets, and thoughtful shelving reduce clutter and support a clean environment. Items are stored intentionally rather than scattered across surfaces. This approach is not only aesthetic, it improves mental comfort. A tidy space encourages calm thinking, smoother routines, and a more peaceful atmosphere at home. A home that feels modern, simple, and truly comfortable. A comfortable modern minimalist house design proves that beauty does not depend on excess decoration or complexity. By emphasizing clarity, natural light, thoughtful materials, and purposeful organization, both the exterior and interior become places where life feels balanced and enjoyable. More than a design style, minimalist living is a way of experiencing home calmly, intentionally, and with a sense of enduring comfort.